and welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today we will be making Blitzen's Peppermint Cream, which is 2 ounces non-alcoholic Irish cream, an ounce of peppermint syrup, 3 ounces of Macadamia Milk, and 1 ounce of Coconut La Croix. So it cuts back on the sweetness and adds body to the drink since we're not adding alcohol. So where's my shaker? There's my shaker. That's what I wanted. So I'm going to start off with the 2 ounces of non-alcoholic Irish cream that I will show you how to make right now. Two ounces. Yes, 2 ounces. Oh yes, and this is going to be a dessert drink. So. Two ounces. It's good. 1 ounce of peppermint syrup that I will show you how to make right now. Okay, now let's get on with making the peppermint syrup. So we're going to make the peppermint syrup with candy canes and a little bit of history on candy canes. So there are many theories about how candy canes were created. One of the one that I came across is in 1670, a choir master handed out sugar sticks to the young singers in his choir to keep them quiet through the church service. And they got their shape because he shaped them like a shepherd's staff in honor of the Christmas season. They originated in Germany, and the curved part of the candy cane is actually called the warble, and the straight part is called the strap. Okay, so, and today we will be using 1.5 candy canes to 1 water, because last time that I made a syrup with the mellow pumpkins, it wasn't quite flavorful enough for me. And I want this to be really pepperminty. So we're doing this by weight, and it's hard to just pile candy canes on top of a scale, so we're going to use a bowl. So turn on your scale, place the bowl on it, and then you have to remember to tar it so you don't get the bowl's weight in with the candy canes. And then you start opening up the candy canes. Because of how sticky they are, you don't want to pre-open them before you get your bowl ready, because then they might stick to stuff and just be kind of gross. And it doesn't matter if they're broken or not either. They just need to be candy canes. Okay, so that is 20 candy canes, and it weighs 91 pounds. And now we need to figure out...
How much did that weigh?
91.
What?
Grams. 91 grams, not pounds. Grams. And since we're doing 1.5 candy cane to 1 water, now we need to figure out how much water to put in. Okay, so let's see here. So we had 91 grams of candy cane, so we're going to round that down to 90. And then we have... Since it's 1.5 candy cane to 1 water, we need 2 30s, which is 60. So it's roughly 60 grams. Okay, so first we tear this That's heavy. And now we fill it up with water. $61. That's close enough. Alright, now let's put everything in the pot and fire it up. So first the water. That's not a lot of water. Then the candy canes. There we go. Now we can fire it up. Okay, I got it on and it's going to be constant stirring since there's so little water in here. That's a lot of candy canes. This is really gross, but also kind of cool. That's how it looks after a little bit of boiling. Now it stuck to my spoon. Stuck to my spoon! Stuck to the spoon! There we go. Okay, now that we're done making the syrup, we can put it in its container. Thing, I need your help. Thank you, Thing. Pour it in carefully because it's still really hot. There we go. That's what it looks like when you're done. And that's how you make the peppermint syrup. Yes, ooh, good. There we go. Almost couldn't see the numbers. Not bad. 3 ounces of Macadamia milk. And then 1 ounce of Coconut La Croix. Look at that. In there. Don't need that. Don't need that. Put on this lid. Put on this lid. Hopefully it doesn't explode. And now you shake it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. Oh yeah, and there's already ice in the shaker. There we go. Now we put it in the glass. Hopefully it doesn't overflow. You sure? Hey, look at that. Perfect. And now our garnish today is a candy cane. There. Hey, it actually came off my finger. Okay, I just broke my candy cane. Oh well, candy cane. I hope you enjoy your drink. First off, let's taste it though. That's good. I hope that you enjoyed Blitzen's peppermint cream. And I hope you have happy holidays. See you next time. Bye. cane! And here's some history about candy canes. History about candy canes.
Sounds exciting.
Yummy num, yummy num, yummy yummy num. You so good, oh yes. Yes, yes, I do. Woo! This is going to be fun. Let me see what we have. That's a final. Woo!